Welcome to Dores LIS, simplifying your lab operations. In Dashboard, get instant notifications for important updates like invoice edits and B2B payments. Get a complete overview by tracking billing, reports, and patient registrations all in one place. Manage your B2B business and track referrals to grow your network. Analyze payment modes like cash, online for better financial control. Identify top tests to optimize your lab performance. In New Appointment, you can customize the registration page as per your needs. Quickly search patients by name, phone number, or patient ID. Manage everything in one place. Fill details, select tests, and view billing instantly. With Dores LIS Billing, manage all your transactions in one place. Easily track paid, due, free, and cancelled bills with clear visibility. Search patients instantly using name, bill number, or mobile number, and apply filters like user, franchise, referral, and B2B for better control. Download reports in Excel or PDF format based on date. View complete patient billing details, edit bills, and print receipts effortlessly. In Generate Report, easily filter data by patient, test, or view all records in one place. Create accurate reports with auto-calculation support. Simply enter test results and abnormal values are highlighted automatically, along with reference ranges for better clarity. Add notes, select the referring doctor, and save your report. Once saved, you can review and submit the report with final approval. In reporting, view all reports, pending share and shared, in one place. Download reports in multiple formats with letterhead, page break, department-wise, or including vitals, and share them instantly with patients and organizations. In finance, track your complete financial performance with insights like total billing, B2B collection, lab collection, and more. Use filters to view data date-wise, organization-wise, referral-wise, and outsource-wise. Get a clear summary of net amount, collections, discounts, dues, refunds, and payment modes. Easily download detailed reports in Excel or PDF for better analysis. In Ledger, this module automatically tracks your center's income, expenses, and payments. Most entries are generated directly from billing, referral payouts, and inventory for accurate financial management. In Test and Package, easily manage all your tests with active and deleted views. Add departments, categories, packages, and create new tests effortlessly. Manage parameters by copying or deleting, add new parameter, and preview reports instantly. You can also generate parameters using AI for faster setup. Edit test details anytime and quickly copy or delete tests as needed. In Manage Users, easily add and manage doctors for report generation and update their details anytime. Admins can create labs and manage all users from a centralized panel. With role and permission settings, assign full or limited access based on specific requirements, ensuring secure and efficient workflow management. In Outsource, easily manage all your outgoing reports in one place. In Lab Settings, fully customize your system to match your workflow. Start with General Settings. Adjust basic preferences, add bill comments, and include additional services as per your needs. In Report Settings, you can customize your reports according to your needs. Set patient details, barcode, and QR code your way. Add and manage header, footer, watermark, background, report T and C template, and accreditation details, all in one place. In Billing Settings, design your receipts by adding logos, stamps, headers, footers, and watermark. Create visually rich smart reports based on your preferred themes. Manage and track your AI credits for smart reports and AI assistant features. Contact us to discover advanced features like inventory, B2B, machine integration, home collection, and WhatsApp chatbot.